Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find all your relationship history on the Facebook app using your PC following the newest update. Whether you're curious about your past connections or just want to revisit old memories, this guide will take you through each step in a clear and simple way. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're in, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with different options related to your account. From that menu, find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it to open up more options. Now, in this new drop-down, you'll see something called Activity Log. Select it. The activity log is where Facebook stores every interaction, post, or update you've made over the years, all in one organized place. Once you're inside the activity log, look along the sidebar for the option labeled Relationships. Clicking on this will bring up a full timeline of your relationship activity. Here, you'll see everything Facebook has recorded about your relationship status changes, friend anniversaries, or any updates you've made about your connections. This new update makes it much easier to track and manage your relationship history, all from one convenient spot. If you ever find something you want to edit or remove, you can do that right from this section as well. Just select the item and follow the prompts to change or delete it. This is a great way to take control of your own digital history and review important milestones. Whether you're looking back for nostalgia, organizing your profile, or just staying informed, checking your relationship history can be helpful and surprisingly fun. If this guide made things clearer for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.